Like so good. Okay, so I cleaned up in here. Cleaned Baylee's play area. There was literally goldfish everywhere because she had a little play date and there was just goldfish everywhere. So I got all that up, swept and vacuumed, and then here is my suitcase. So I'm gonna start packing. I do have a few things, which I'll show you guys everything that I have packed, but I got a few things from my sister's boutique, which is these. And then I think I showed you guys the toboggans and scarves and stuff that I'm taking, and this is not going. This is Baylee's. So yeah, and also, oh my gosh, there's still goldfish everywhere. I don't think I showed you guys this suitcase, but I got this at Marshall's. It was $70, and it's so cute, you guys. It's just plain white, and I really wanted a suitcase. I think it's the Cowpack brand, if I'm not mistaken, and it has the little lock on it to lock the zipper, and yeah, I think it's the Cowpack. I'll let you guys know if it's not, but I'm pretty sure that it is. So yeah, hopefully I can fit all of our stuff in here in our carry-ons. Okay, so I'm gonna color my hair. I got these 2 boxes of hair color yesterday. This is the same kind that I used last time, so I'm gonna do that really quick before I go to work today. Good morning! So Baylee's been up for a while. She's already had her pancakes and her morning baba, and so what's wrong? You need a diaper? And I changed her diaper and changed her clothes and made myself some breakfast, even though it's like 12 noon right now. I have to leave soon. I have to be to work at 3, but I'm gonna try to eat this breakfast and then start packing a little bit before I have to go. Good morning, guys. So today is the next day. I dyed my hair yesterday. You can kind of tell it's a little bit darker, but today is Friday. It's around 11, I guess, and we literally leave for New York City in the morning. We're leaving around 6 a.m. and then our flight leaves at 10:45, I believe, but we have to be there like a couple hours early to check our bags and everything, and I'm so nervous, but I'm also so excited. So today I have been packing, and I'm going to show you guys everything that I'm packing. I have a lot of things in the washer though, so I'm going to go ahead and pack what I have and then make a list and see what we have left, because I have to get this packing done today. I was supposed to work today, but they called me and said I didn't have to, so I'm home for the day and let's get packing. So far in the bag I have 1, 2, 3, 4 shirts, and then this like little over jacket top thing that I thought was really cute, and then I put 2 pairs of leggings in there. These are more of like dressier leggings, and then these are just regular ones, and these shirts are pretty long. So far that's what I have. So update, this is what it's looking like so far. Here are my like dressier clothes, and then up here I have some pajamas, and then these 2 scarves I'm taking. I still have quite a bit of stuff to fit into the suitcase. Baylee's helping. So yeah, I'm gonna keep packing and hopefully get this done soon. I'm stressing out. So I added this pink turtleneck sweater. I added this pink turtleneck sweater and some jeans, some leg warmers, another big sweater. So far I'm getting a little confused on what outfits I have and what outfits that I don't, and then like what's still laying over here. So yeah, I don't know. So I've made a super big mess in here, but I think this is gonna be my airport outfit. Just this DKNY sport jacket, Puma shirt, just a tank top underneath, some Old Navy leggings, probably my boots and socks, and then this Puma hat. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it or not, because I feel like I match too much, but I also feel like it's pretty cute. So we'll see on that. This is probably what I'm gonna go with, just because it's what I'm laying out. What? Hi, baby. So this is pretty much everything for this side right here. This is like my main clothes over on this side. I have pajamas and stuff to wear to bed, scarves, sweaters, lots of sweaters, a little sweatshirt, turtleneck, some leggings, some more leggings, a bunch of stuff underneath, my camo pants, a black dress, a red dress. So I have a ton of stuff, and this is like my main clothing things. And then I'm gonna put this like rain jacket in there, and then my big coat also on this side, and then I'm gonna put all my toboggans, scarves, no, not scarves, I already put scarves, toboggans, gloves, like my house shoes, my bras, socks, and hopefully toiletries too. So I was supposed to leave room for Seth, but I don't know if that's gonna happen or not, but I'll keep you guys updated. This is what this rain jacket looks like. It's actually really cute. Baylee's being really clingy and just wanting to sit right on top of me while I'm doing this, so I'm having a hard time. Okay, so I added some more stuff in here, just some like extra leggings. Oh my goodness, are you okay? And it's getting pretty stuffed, so hopefully I'll be done soon. I only have a few more things. This jacket, this sweater, and this rain jacket is all that I'm gonna take, and I'll probably put it on this side. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and buckle this and we'll see. So these boots are probably gonna be like my main dressy boots. So I'm gonna stick one in each of these little pockets here so they don't get my clothes dirty. And then I'm taking house shoes. I don't know if I'm taking another pair of heels yet or not. Probably not, just because I feel like these will pretty much go with everything. Okay, so update. I have all of my toboggans and gloves and house shoes and my little smaller jackets, this sweater, and my big coat in here. And then I'm gonna put my like toiletries and my straightener, my curling iron, stuff like that right there. Then I have like my bras, stuff like that in that zipper, and then my shoes in here, and then my main clothes here. So I honestly don't think Seth is gonna be able to fit his stuff in here, but we are gonna bring carry-ons, so I guess I'll just let Seth have like the carry-on bags, and mine will be the checked bag. So yeah. So we got us some waters for our flight tomorrow, some luggage tags, some snacks. How you feel? How you feel? Good. Are you excited?